If we are going to send our troops overseas, we need to make sure we are properly taking care of them when they come home. And Mr. Harper has failed our veterans by nickel and diming them, by not giving them the service, the help that they need. And it's something that we should all be ashamed of, that this government that likes to wrap itself in the flag is actually not caring for those people who have fought, injured themselves, and in many cases died under that flag.
This government has